Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Templates. And first, of course, you log into your Gmail. What I did was go on my Google Drive, click New. And you see here it says Google Docs, and you got the arrow. Click on the arrow. You can either start from blank, you create one, or you could do from a template. But most Google Docs have all the templates that you need, so you'll just use it from the template. You see how they have letter, resume, brochures, reports. So you got a whole book and plenty more resumes and more letters, more personals, stuff for work, like meeting notes, project proposals, newsletters, brochures, and we got more. I'm gonna just show you the one with a letter. So you have the spearmint one. All you're saying is got a little spearmint, little decoration at the top for a letter. So click it. And as you can see, it gives you basically the proof, the template of a letter. It gives you pre-approval, so it tells you how to do it. Type in your name. If you want, you can just type in your name first. Just in case you forget, you can just type your name first and delete it after. See, now your name is right there. And see, it automatically save for you and everything. If you want to change the fonts, anything like that, you still can change it. As you can see, you can make it bigger, make it smaller. You can change everything still. Change your alignments if you want to edit anything. Anything you want to edit, you still could do it. It just gives you the basic information of how the type of letter and the format. And I hope this helped you. And have a good one.